dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nacine. I'm 37. I do keto vlogs. I have 4 beautiful kids, a floofy fluffy husky, 2 kitty kitties, and I love the clicky clickies. That's a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow, helps me get out into the YouTube recommended universe, and I appreciate any like, comments, shares, and subscribe if you're new and you like what you see. So this is the part of the video where I tell you what I'm having for lunch. This is mostly where I start my day because I work very early and you don't want to see me before my coffee. That's not true. I'm not a horrible person before my coffee, but I leave myself a very limited amount of time to get ready in the morning. So I'm up, I'm ready, I leave, I get to work, I work. First break is like 9 a.m. and I do not leave my office. I stay inside and I reply to comments on YouTube. And then 11:30 is lunchtime. So this is where I actually leave work and I go park in some random parking lot so I don't have to have people stare at me while I vlog. So yesterday was Wendy's, today the chow is back. I'm excited to try this chow because I bought some walnut oil. I was looking for pecan oil because a lot of people are using pecan oil and I like pecans, but I couldn't find that. So I did find walnut oil. So I made chocolate keto chow with walnut oil. I actually made this a few days ago and I didn't go to work, you know, so it smells really good. What is the date? Today's Wednesday. Holy cow. All right. For some reason, it's not as thick as I usually make it. What did I do? Did I not put as much almond milk? It's good. I can sort of taste the walnut. It's not like an overpowering. I wish this was thicker. I don't know what I did. I made it so many days ago that I can't really remember the mixture. Some days I add more almond milk than water and vice versa, but I can't remember what I did. Either way, it's still good. I have to wonder though if the walnut oil made it thinner, but I don't see why it would, since I normally use an oil anyways. Anyways, yeah, that's what I have for lunch today. So tonight, and I keep saying this, is Kids Cook Keto, but that is what we are doing tonight. We are recording that tonight. Yesterday, I completely spaced it and forgot Tiffany had her doctor's appointment, so that happened, and that's why we didn't get that done. But yeah, so I'm excited about tonight's, and Peyton is excited. I had to go to Dollar General, which is across the street, because we needed some pickles. So I got these pickles for $1. I got these leggings for what does it say? $5. Diet Pepsi, Papa Towels, and the one thing that I get every single year at this time, every year, the scented broom. It is scented highly with cinnamon, highly. They used to come every time with a little vial of cinnamon oil, but it doesn't look like they do anymore. But when I tell you that this is highly scented and will smell like cinnamon for an immense amount of time, like months, like into summer months, I'm not even joking you. And like when our old ones were not smelly anymore, I put it in the bathroom and the steam helped bring it out. I love the scent brooms. Love them. They also have pine cones. So I am excited about this. I'm gonna open this bad boy up and stick it in the living room. I love the smell of cinnamon. Love it. We just filmed an episode of Kids Cook Keto and we made Big Mac bowls, and
terrible.
The sauce is not what I expected it to be, and they had us put Swerve in it. I wouldn't put Swerve in it. Other than that, I think it's good. The kids didn't care for it because of the sauce, but I think it's pretty good. So this is dinner. I also had a keto bar, and I'm having a Diet Pepsi. And then I have to write a recommendation for college for a friend's daughter. So I'm gonna do that, eat, and probably start editing. So this may be the last time you see me.
Forever. Yeah.
These are the leggings, $5. They're not bad. And they're an extra large. And they fit.